The foldable phone revolution is entering a new era, and leading the charge is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, a device that's already being hailed as one of the most anticipated smartphone launches of 2026. While foldables have been part of the tech conversation for years, this generation feels different. It's not just an upgrade, it's the moment foldables go mainstream. From concept to reality, Samsung's foldable journey, when Samsung first unveiled a phone that could unfold into a tablet-sized display, the world was stunned. The futuristic design sparked excitement, but also skepticism. Consumers were intrigued by the possibilities, yet cautious about durability concerns, bulk and weight, high price tags, practicality in daily life, but Samsung didn't back down. Over the years, they've tackled these issues head-on, refining the hinge, minimizing the crease, slimming the profile, and enhancing battery life. The result? A foldable that feels less like a prototype and more like a polished productivity tool. Galaxy Z Fold 8. What's new and what's next? Expected to launch in July 2026, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is the culmination of years of innovation and user feedback. Based on leaks, insider reports, and supply chain whispers, here's what we know so far. Design and build retains the iconic book-style foldable design, slightly thinner and lighter than the Fold 7, targeting about 215G. Possible shift from titanium to carbon fiber reinforced plastic for better strength-to-weight ratio improved. Armor Flex hinge with multi-rail reinforcement for smoother folding and reduced crease visibility. Wider cover screen for better usability. And one-handed typing, Samsung is clearly focused on delivering a premium feel, something users expect when paying close to $2,000. Battery and charging battery life has always been a challenge for foldables, but the Fold 8 is expected to make a big leap. A 5,000 mAh battery, up from 4,300 mAh in the Fold 7 charging speeds, 25W wired, 15W wireless optimized for efficiency, thermal management, and safety powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 and One UI 9, promising better real-world endurance performance that packs a punch. Samsung isn't holding back on power. The Fold 8 is expected to debut with Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, built for multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven tasks, up to 16GB RAM storage options from 256GB to 1TB, no microSD card slot, so choose your storage wisely. This setup makes the Fold 8 a powerhouse device for professionals, creators, and tech enthusiasts. Camera upgrades. Flagship-level imaging photography is getting a serious boost. 200MP main sensor from the Galaxy S25 ultra-enhanced image processing via Samsung's Pro Visual Engine, ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, multiple selfie cameras on both the cover and inner displays. Expect sharper detail, better low-light performance, and improved video stabilization. Content creation on the go. The Fold 8 isn't just a phone, it's a mobile studio. Return of photo assist, generative edit, and portrait studio side-by-side editing on the massive inner display. Potential S Pen support for precision edits, perfect for vloggers, photographers, and social media creators. Smarter software with One UI 9. Samsung's One UI 9 will be infused with AI-powered features tailored for foldables. Context-aware multitasking that predicts app pairings, improved flex mode for intuitive half-folded interactions, Samsung DeX enhancements for desktop-like productivity, Genie Live AI assistant with real-time translation, video sharing, and contextual suggestions. AI-driven tools for health tracking, note-taking, and content recommendations. This software leap transforms the Fold 8 into a smart productivity hub. Pricing and availability. Launch, July 2026. Price, around $119.99. Pre-orders, expected to open the same day. Deals, up to $1,000 off with trade-ins via Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T Samsung Store. Enhanced trade-in credits and financing options. Despite the premium price tag, aggressive promotions will make the Fold 8 more accessible to a wider audience. Battery life that keeps up with you thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2's improved power management and Samsung's refined One UI optimizations. The Fold 8 is expected to deliver significantly better real-world battery performance. Whether you're multitasking, streaming, or editing on the go, this foldable is designed to last longer without compromising speed or efficiency. Camera system. Flagship photography in a foldable form. Samsung is taking mobile photography to the next level with the Fold 8, a powerful 200 megapixel main sensor inherited from the Galaxy S25, ultra-enhanced image processing via Samsung's Pro Visual Engine, sharper details, improved low-light performance, faster motion detection, and better night video, but that's not all. The Fold 8 is expected to feature an ultra-wide lens, a dedicated telephoto camera, multiple selfie cameras, both on the cover screen and under the inner display. This setup brings foldables closer than ever to traditional flagship camera phones. AI-powered editing tools for creators. What truly sets the Fold 8 apart is its software-enhanced photography experience. Samsung is bringing back fan-favorite tools like Photo Assist, Generative Edit, Portrait Studio. These AI-powered features make editing intuitive and efficient. On the massive inner display, users can open the gallery and editing tools side by side, compare before and after shots in real time, use the S Pen if stylus support expands, for precise edits for content creators, vloggers, and social media influencers. The Fold 8 could be the ultimate portable editing studio. Smarter software and seamless AI integration. The Fold 8 will likely debut with One UI 9, packed with intelligent features designed to maximize the foldable experience. Context-aware multitasking that predicts app pairings, enhanced flex mode for smoother half-folded interactions, upgraded Samsung DeX for desktop-like productivity. Samsung's AI assistant, Genie Live, may gain new capabilities including real-time translation, smart video sharing, contextual app suggestions, plus expect AI-driven health tracking, note-taking, and content recommendations, making the Fold 8 not just a phone, but a personal productivity hub. Release date and pricing. Launch expected July 2026. Pre-orders likely to open the same day. Shipments begin 2 weeks later. Price around $199. Consistent with previous Fold models, Samsung is expected to offer aggressive trade-in deals and carrier incentives, up to $1,000 off via Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, enhanced trade-in credits and financing through Samsung's official store. So while the sticker price is premium, savvy buyers can grab the Fold 8 at a much more affordable cost. Should you wait for the Galaxy Z Fold 8? If you value multitasking, creativity, and cutting-edge technology, the Fold 8 is shaping up to be one of the best smartphones of 2026. With its larger battery, next-gen processor, upgraded cameras, and smarter software, it's a clear leap forward from the Fold 7. Own a Fold 6 or earlier? This will feel like a massive upgrade. Already using a Fold 7? You might still be tempted, especially if the camera, battery, and AI features deliver as promised. Foldables are no longer experimental. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 proves that this category is maturing fast, and it's becoming the future of smartphones.